Hi guys, Cam from the Kit Store here, just having another look at some of the questions I get asked all the time, just a quick fix video. So today we've got our lavalier microphones that we use quite often. They're incredibly simple. They have one button on each device. So what you do is you press and hold that button to get them to pair. You press and hold it until they come up with these wee green lights, and you let them flash for a wee bit. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, so this might do in 3 or 4 flashes, but they'll go solid once they're fully connected. So that's them there, they're fully connected now. Each one that we give out to you should be numbered and should be paired to each other. If they're not, you just press and hold that button for a bit longer, it goes red, and then it turns into the pairing mode again. To turn them off properly, to get them done, you just press and hold the button until they both go off. That's it, easy as that. When plugging them into something like a Zoom, you just plug it into any channel. It doesn't need phantom power at all. You just plug it in, activate the channel, and then record.